In this video, you will learn about must. This topic is a part of verbs. As learned earlier, use must to give written instructions. For example, you must not make noise. To emphasize an opinion. For example, I must say, this cake is delicious. To give a recommendation. For example, we must visit the Gateway of India. To make an assumption. For example, my cycle is missing. Someone must have stolen it. And to reach a logical conclusion. For example, he must have met with an accident. Must is used to talk about assumptions and conclusions about facts. For example, he is so small, he must be 2 years old. In this sentence, the speaker states the fact that the child is so small that they think the child is 2 years old. Her assumption might or might not be true. Must is used to talk about a strong obligation or necessity. For example, you must talk to the manager. In this sentence, the speaker is saying that it is important to speak to the manager. Or, seat belts must be worn while driving. Use must when the obligation comes from the speaker and have to when the obligation comes from another person and not the speaker. For example, I must buy new shoes. In this sentence, the speaker wants to buy new shoes since the ones he has are old and worn out. I have to buy new shoes since I have a new job. In this sentence, the speaker wants to buy new shoes since he has a new job and he can't wear his old shoes to work. The reason the speaker is going to buy new shoes is because of a new job. Must is also used to express polite invitations or encouragement. For example, you must try this cake, it's delicious. In this sentence, the speaker is inviting his friend to try the cake. Or, you must not be sad, this is only a trial lap. In this sentence, the speaker is encouraging his son to run faster since the lap he ran was only a trial. Remember not to use must to talk about an obligation of the past. Use had to. For example, when she came home, she had to cook lunch. Saying when she came home, she must cook lunch is incorrect. Do not use must to talk about predictions of the future. Use will. For example, I am going to find a job which will pay me well. Saying, I am going to find a job which must pay me well is incorrect. Now you know how to use must.